Happy Tuesday! Let's take a look at all things going on in biohacking events. Over the weekend was the Conscious Health Summit that took place in Lisbon, Portugal from May 2nd to May 3rd. Through 30 speakers, this was an opportunity for science and practices derived from our ancestors to inspire individuals in their own practices. Sessions were broken into 3 sections, including practical science, backed knowledge for the learning component, interactive sessions and experiences, and diving for deeper, in-depth hands-on workshops for breathwork, tantric dancing, and other workouts. Pavel Stukalik, Ryan Smith, and Yulia Minchin are just a few names featured at this event that are either in the Biohack Yourself 5-part documentary or contributors. And if you missed that one, don't worry, because next month, the HoloLife Summit 2025 Europe is a premier health and longevity festival taking place June 14th to 15th. Located in Tallinn, Estonia, with over 2,000 attendees from more than 60 countries. Centered around the theme Longevity Goldrush, the summit delves into the quest for youth and vitality, blending modern science with holistic practices to inspire personal transformation and optimal health. More experts featured in Biohack Yourself include Philip von Holzendorf, Sarah Turner, and more are scheduled to speak over the 2-day period. Later this summer, we can look forward to the Biohackers World Conference and Expo in Chicago, July 26th through 27th, where passion meets purpose. With the chance to collaborate, network, and grow with wellness and science workshops, 30-plus biohacking and health visionaries, as well as innovators at an exhibitor expo hall, this event is worth stepping into the future of biohacking. Biohack Yourself highlights featured speaker Clayton Thomas, and Code Health are exhibitors, also featured in the Biohack Yourself magazine. So which ones are you attending? Comment below and maybe we'll see you there. Make sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our newsletter. To stay in the know about all things biohacking and health optimization, comment Biohack.
Big news, biohackers. You can find Biohack Yourself magazine on shelves worldwide. You can grab your copy at your go-to spots like Barnes & Noble, Publix, Kroger, Books A Million, H-E-B, and over 5,200 other retail locations. You can also find the magazine at fitness centers like Lifetime Fitness, Equinox, LA Fitness, and so many more. This isn't your average magazine. It is your ultimate guide to hacking your health and unlocking your best life. Our inaugural issue features psychiatrist and brain doctor to celebrities, Dr. Daniel Amen, and he's revealing the science of ultimate wellness. Plus articles from leading experts about biohacking testosterone, biohacks for better sleep, brain fuel tips, seed oil secrets, and longevity protocols that work. Your biohacking journey starts now. Pick up Biohack Yourself and fuel your evolution. Tag us when you grab yours.